Electric vehicles are the future, or so we thought. Cadillac, the iconic American luxury car brand, was one of the first to boldly commit to an all-electric future by 2030. But in a shocking turn of events, they've just announced a reversal of that decision. Are they backing down from the EV race? Is the internal combustion engine making a comeback? What does this mean for the future of the automotive industry? If you're as intrigued as we are, stick around, because we're about to dive deep into Cadillac's surprising decision and what it could mean for the world of cars. Cadillac is an American automotive brand that has been synonymous with luxury and innovation since its inception in 1902. Founded by Henry Leland and named after the French explorer Antoine de la Mothe Cadillac, the company quickly established itself as a pioneer in precision manufacturing and cutting-edge engineering. In its early years, Cadillac gained a reputation for building some of the most advanced and reliable automobiles on the market. The brand's attention to detail and commitment to quality earned it the slogan "Standard of the World," a testament to the high standards it set for the industry. Throughout the 20th century, Cadillac remained at the forefront of automotive innovation, introducing groundbreaking features such as the first production V8 engine, the first fully automatic transmission, and the first modern overhead valve engine. These advancements not only elevated the brand's luxury offerings, but also influenced the entire automotive industry. During the post-war era, Cadillac became an icon for American prosperity and style. Its large, powerful, and elegantly designed vehicles were seen as symbols of success and status, adorning the driveways of the affluent and influential. Models like the Eldorado, DeVille, and Fleetwood became synonymous with the brand's opulent aesthetic and engineering excellence. As the automotive landscape evolved, Cadillac adapted to changing consumer preferences and market conditions. In the 1970s and 1980s, the brand embraced downsizing and introduced smaller, more fuel-efficient models like the Seville and Cimarron, while still maintaining its commitment to luxury and performance. In recent decades, Cadillac has undergone a renaissance, reimagining its design language and engineering philosophy to appeal to a new generation of luxury buyers. The brand has now embraced cutting-edge technologies such as advanced infotainment systems, semi-autonomous driving features, and sophisticated safety systems, solidifying its position as a leader in the luxury automotive space. Cadillac's rich history is deeply rooted in American innovation and a relentless pursuit of excellence. From its early days as a pioneer in precision manufacturing to its current role as a trailblazer in luxury and technology, the brand has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible in the automotive world, cementing its legacy as an iconic American luxury mark. After this bright start, Cadillac upgraded and followed the trends in the world of automobiles. In recent years, the call for sustainable transportation has grown louder, with governments and consumers alike demanding cleaner, more environmentally friendly vehicles. Automakers around the world have been racing to adapt, pouring billions into electric vehicle research and development. Cadillac, a brand synonymous with American luxury and innovation, was among the first to embrace the EV revolution wholeheartedly. In 2021, they announced an ambitious plan to transition their entire lineup to fully electric vehicles by 2030, marking a bold step towards a greener future. This declaration sent shockwaves through the automotive world, showcasing Cadillac's unwavering commitment to sustainability and their willingness to lead the charge in the electric mobility revolution. The decision was hailed as a game-changer, with industry experts lauding Cadillac's leadership in the electric mobility space. Analysts and environmentalists alike applauded the move, recognizing it as a pivotal moment in the fight against climate change and the pursuit of cleaner transportation solutions. Cadillac's announcement was seen as a rallying cry that would inspire other automakers to follow suit, accelerating the transition towards a more sustainable future. Fast forward to the present day, and Cadillac has made a stunning reversal on their EV commitment. In a recent statement, the brand stated that they would continue to produce internal combustion engine ICE vehicles alongside their electric offerings for the foreseeable future, effectively walking back their pledge to go all-electric by 2030. This decision has sent shockwaves through the automotive industry and raised numerous questions about Cadillac's motivations and the broader implications for the EV transition. According to Cadillac's executives, the reversal was driven by a combination of factors, including consumer demand, supply chain constraints, and the need to remain competitive in diverse global markets. The road to an all-electric future is paved with challenges, from battery technology limitations to infrastructure constraints and consumer adoption hurdles. Despite Cadillac's ambitious goals, the path ahead was riddled with obstacles that would test the brand's resolve and innovative spirit. Battery technology, the backbone of electric vehicles, remained a significant hurdle. Range anxiety, charging times, and the availability of critical raw materials all posed challenges that required ongoing research and development. Cadillac would need to invest heavily in cutting-edge battery solutions to ensure their electric vehicles could meet the demanding standards of luxury and performance their customers had come to expect. Furthermore, the lack of widespread charging infrastructure posed a logistical challenge. Consumers' willingness to embrace electric vehicles was intrinsically tied to the availability of a robust network of charging stations, enabling seamless long-distance travel and alleviating range anxiety. Cadillac would need to collaborate with governments, utilities, and other stakeholders to build the necessary infrastructure to support their electric ambitions. Also, consumer adoption hurdles loomed large. Convincing drivers accustomed to their familiar conveniences of internal combustion engines to make the switch to electric vehicles would require a significant shift in mindset and behavior. Cadillac would need to address concerns about cost, range, and charging times, while simultaneously educating and inspiring consumers about the benefits of electric mobility. While we remain committed to electrification and developing advanced EV technologies, we recognize that the transition to an all-electric future is a complex and nuanced process, said a Cadillac spokesperson. Our goal is to offer a diverse portfolio of vehicles that cater to varied needs and preferences of our customers worldwide. This statement suggests that Cadillac has recognized and is willing to admit to the challenges associated with a rapid shift to EVs, and is taking a more measured approach to ensure they don't alienate customers who still prefer traditional ICE vehicles. Critics, however, argue that Cadillac's decision is a step backward in the fight against climate change and could potentially undermine the progress made by other automakers in the EV space. Cadillac's reversal sends a concerning message to the industry and could embolden other manufacturers to backtrack on their own electrification plans, said an environmental advocacy group spokesperson. We need bold leadership and unwavering commitment to achieve a sustainable transportation future, not wavering stances. Supporters of Cadillac's decision, on the other hand, argue that offering a diverse range of options is a pragmatic approach that recognizes the varying needs and preferences of consumers across different markets. Not every customer is ready to make the leap to an all-electric vehicle, and automakers need to cater to those diverse demands, said an industry analyst. Cadillac's decision to continue offering ICE vehicles alongside EVs is a smart move that ensures they remain competitive in the global marketplace. As the debate rages on, one thing is clear: Cadillac's reversal on their EV commitment has significant implications for the future of the automotive industry and the broader transition towards sustainable transportation. The decision could influence other automakers' strategies, impact consumer perceptions of EVs, and potentially shape regulatory policies and incentives around the world. Now that we've explored the details behind Cadillac's decision, we want to hear your thoughts. What do you make of Cadillac's reversal on their EV commitment? Do you think it's a pragmatic move or a step backward in the fight against climate change? How do you think this decision will impact the broader EV transition and the automotive industry as a whole? Share your insights, opinions, and predictions in the comment section below. We're eager to engage in a lively discussion and hear diverse perspectives on this pivotal moment in the world of cars. If you found this analysis informative and thought-provoking, be sure to like and subscribe for more engaging content on the latest developments in the automotive industry. We'll continue to bring you in-depth explorations of the most significant trends and events shaping the future of transportation. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. We have some exciting topics lined up that you won't want to miss. Remember, the world of cars is an ever-evolving landscape, and staying informed is key to navigating the twists and turns of this fascinating industry. We're committed to bringing you accurate, insightful analysis and engaging discussions on the topics that matter most to car enthusiasts and industry professionals alike. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep driving towards a better future.